Yeah. Dedicated to all my island people out there.
Time, there is no rushing, no.
Vans Beats.
My island way is very valuable.
Do you find it weird listening to yourself?
Yeah, it's just, I appreciate it, but it's just hard to kind of, be in the same room when it's playing, even when people play it at home or something. It's like, I turn it off. But really inside, I like it.
I was going to say, is it because you can... Hey, let's talk about your next track, Jagarizza, Van Beats, Island Way. Talk about Jagarizza, Van Beats.
Oh, Van Beats, yep. My brother, he's older than me. Slick's older than him, but yeah, Van Beats, he just...
so he's like your real blood brother?
Yes. He's
not just but really not related?
No, he's my real brother. Yeah, Van's made the beat and he flicked it over to me, but it was like more necessary for someone to really spark that one up. But we flicked it over to Jagarizza, did the whole emailing back and forth, and he kind of put the message across, and he's real good. The dude's humble, and he makes it seem effortless when he's even in the studio together. We've got some other music, but yeah, Island Way was a good feel, and I felt like I needed to go back to the roots and get something out.
So what? Yeah. And you're saying that your dad's in the music video as well?
The old man's in it, yeah. My daughters were showing me yesterday, and they kind of wanted to pause it on the bit when he's eating towards the end, and they're like, yeah, there's Papa. But all that time I thought like, oh yeah, the kids are watching it because they're proud of me, but they actually waited for that part near the end. I was like, yeah, but you're cool.
And I love it. My boy Alimit, are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready when you are, sir.
You're not that nervous, are you?
Oh, I'm really nervous, bro. I'm just getting my good voice on. I'm not really sure. They glanced at each other. I hate when they do that. Plus it was closing captioning for the hearing impaired. I stated sensibilities, something like that, bro. Sorry, man.
Hey, why are you apologizing? Wow. That was good. You should hear it when I do it. It is a shocker. Now, if you can tell us what's that song.
You're a sad dude, bro.
This is not a stitch up. See, now I'm getting the Australian accent. It's not a stitch up.
No, what's happening? In your hood. Click on NiuFM.com.
The camera's gonna look at me and say, oh, is that alright? Sorry, edit. From